Okay guys, so my hair might be all over the place, but it is what it is. I just want to show you guys something absolutely unbelievable that's happening right now. It's literally just so simple, guys. It's so simple. I'm gonna go and explain all of this for you so you guys can understand. So today is NFP, and oh my god, I can't believe what just happened. We have trades on trades on trades that just absolutely took like a rocket. And I want to show you guys how we did this. Okay, it's very basic. Let's get into it. Okay, so anyway guys, I use something called the Edge Finder. Guys, definitely check Nick's channel in below for Nick's channel. I bought this from him maybe a year ago. I still struggle to use it, but guys, it is unbelievable. I mean, like, you can even get signals and stuff, but it's up to you what you want to do. I'm here to help people out with trading, but I use Nick's incredible software, guys, to actually figure out what it is that I want to look at. So now if we look at all of this, I don't like trading NASDAQ too often, guys, so I don't think the strategy is good enough with you. But as you can see, we've got the GBP USD, we have got silver gold. It's down here, which is weird. Like, I don't know why it was so neutral. I swear it was huge. But I think because of talks with Trump and the tariffs, that's the reason.
Biden especially let the price of eggs get out of control.
So let's just double check on what I was looking at. So I had a beautiful setup on the GBP USD and then also the Euro. I wonder why it's not here. Oh, there it is. That's down here. So it's more of a neutral. But guys, we've been seeing back-to-back bad dollar news. I can show you all of this. It's literally it's the most incredible thing I've been looking into. But anyway, we just go and look at this. So NFP came out. It's green. Everyone's like, buy the dollar. You can't think of it like that. You need to understand and digest everything first. So if we go here to the Edge Finder first, all the things that are against the dollar technically are showing that they're very powerful. So we've got the GBP USD, we've got the NZD USD, we've got what else is used, and also I don't really trade Bitcoin, guys, either, or anything like that. I do invest, but I don't trade that much. Guys, it's kind of screaming. If we're more certain, we have USD down here somewhere. So USD CAD, USD SHARE, USD ZAR, I mean, all of these are insane. What is going on here? Okay, so guys, now risk on this isn't too bad. I will wait, because you know what? Trading has everything to do with plan. Trade the damn plan. Who cares what's wrong? So I'm seeing a very good structure. We have had a break, I do agree, but the strategy I'm trading. So with that being said, I don't want to go against it. I'm not going to trade against my own plan. I mean, come on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enter now. This is how I check my risk, guys. I modify the trade. I just looked one end on the side yet. Okay, modify. Stop loss comes into action. We can check it out. So if I had to hold the trade, so I'm going to move that up like that. I'm going to hold it. That's $100. Cool. Done. And we're going to aim for some demand and buy areas. So I'm not going to try and enter on this, guys, because this is my live account. So I'm going to hold onto that for now. It's just open. With the US market, it's just open. So I want to just make sure, guys, that we are trading in the right time frame. And what will happen here is I'm going to take, because this is in, I'm going to reduce risk. So now we're going to have 2 in if it decides to take me in. Let's see. Okay, so this is the trade I wanted to show you guys today. This is the exact setup that I use on everything. In gold, doesn't matter what it is. What I really do like about the setup at the moment, guys, is that the market is moving towards it, like slowly. It's like a consolidation on the lower time frame. And what normally happens is we get this manipulation and we get liquidity just before demand zone. So I like the fact that we've broken this structure of going down. Boom, we've created an area, but remember, I can be wrong. We've created the area, we've got the liquidity. I like to put this area here, money. Yeah. So we're just trading that, okay? Now, what I want to do, I mean, stop losses are at break even. Market's really looking for re-entry. Guys, this is textbook stuff. I mean, we're looking at an entry point. Most people would try and sell this area, and I'm seeing nothing telling me that we need to be selling gold. So guys, let's see how this pulls out. Now, if you guys wanted to see how I catch these trades, the CAD is probably the best explanation right now. So I'm gonna watch this for a little bit. Okay, so No, literally just wait. Well, you guys watch how the market moves here. I don't know, coffee. Oh, wait. I got my smoothie. What? Oh, by the way, guys, if you want help with trading, it's as simple as this. Here's one of the links below, and you register with the brokerages that I partner with. You will then get information in the trading room, and let's do this. So, guys, in the general, I'll speak about all the important stuff that you need to know and where we are. Set up Euro, that's going nicely. I think absolutely firing. Check that out, bro. Bang. So, guys, always remember you need to make sure that you adjust things, change things, do what you need to do. Okay. Because nothing's set in stone. So where could this possibly go? I don't see, my trading strategy isn't there. So I've put the TP at the top. Oof. There's gold, guys. This was the gold trade. Entered it. There's the strategy. Okay. Setup was there. Now there it is. Bang. So we're aiming here. We could go higher, guys. But I'm just going to watch the market and see what it does. Because right now I'm kind of like, will it go all the way to there? Or could it have a little bit of a pullback and then do something else? All I'm going to do is focus on this. Let's see if it liquidates the areas that people want to sell it in. Okay, and yes, wow, dude, I won't lie, the Euro USD is just absolutely firing. Let's go back to basics, guys. Okay, so I'm going to teach you Edge Finder first. Actually go and check. This is what we're trading. Okay, setups, heat map. Let's go see. 22, what's the date today? The 20th May. Shit. Okay, so yeah, look at that. Perfect example. Euro USD, bullish. Bang. Gold was very bullish. About a week ago. Anyway, so all I did was that, guys. Then I deduced from the whole week. Should start out. Nothing really there. It's the same. Okay, job list comes out. Boom, bam. First, bad. Okay. Second, board comes out. Power, absolute power. And then we get this one. Okay, now we have USD again. Shit. Okay, so guys, you can see what I'm saying. We've literally just got all this information. Plus, we have a software that's telling us. Now it's just where to place a trade, because you can't just click a button and make money. You can, but it's not the point. The point is that we need to understand how do I get to. So you go out to the weekly, and I know, guys, it's difficult. So I could actually be looking at aiming for this area only, but I'll still be, because guys, this is also very high, and we do have an absolutely juicy opportunity. That is a very far away. And then you see now, because I've put that area as an interest, we can easily just say to us, from the high time frames, you can then now deduce what's a strong structural points, and then on those points you want to find structures that are inside of the trading plan. So it's an inception. So each level needs to look similar. And so the daily time frames very vary. So now we literally be having another engulfing candle. If it breaks this high, we could have an. So when this trade breaks the highs, we could even have a re-entry somewhere down here. So once that area got hit, let me take you back to what I saw. Hey guys, simple as this. All we did was I looked on a higher time frame. We saw this area break. Did it hit it? How high did it go? All we did was we looked for the pattern, and then I decided to. I was like, that also looked good. I like that area. So guys, once I saw that, I was like, okay, sweet. Let's we made a new high. Concept is we got an engulfing candle, looking for liquidity, and we want to trade. Okay, so boom. Okay, see, so it knocked me out straight. Then I was like, okay, cool. Let's let the market keep going. That one level at the bottom here is still very good. Like, it's super powerful. But you guys see, this was still powerful, and it had a little bit of liquidity, but it didn't even make a new high. Unless it broke the low here, it's still considered a trend. So all we technically had was this. It's an impulsive movement. That is such a good continuation pattern. Let's just make sure that the next time you guys see these patterns on a high time frame, take them. Just so you understand why I've got two trading accounts. One is a funded account, which allows me to trade bigger accounts. And then another one's my live account that I actually use that money to then get a trading account. You see, so I'm always using money I'm making to make more money, to invest into myself, to make more money. because I think it's a bit stupid to try and trade all of a sudden with like 20,000 rand. I discussed all of that stuff inside of my Telegram group. So if you guys would like access to that, just register, links in the description, like I've said. And let's continue going through what's actually happening here in the markets.